everyone. So today I am here to share insight and opportunities within our industry, a sector that is as dynamic as it is essential. So our journey through packaging production and assembling, quality control, labeling, inventory management and beyond represent a tapestry of challenges and innovation. So each phase from order fulfillment to shipping, logistics, customer support and processing returns and refunds is a critical component of our value chain. So our industry serves diverse users from individual customers to retailers, wholesalers, manufacturers and beyond. So each segment, whether the bustling kitchen of the food and beverage industry or the critical corridors of healthcare facilities, presents unique demand and opportunities for innovation. So the digital frontier has opened new avenues for engagement, mainly through e-commerce platform, while shipping and logistic companies continue to be the backbone of our supply chain. Moreover, the role of government agencies and non-profit organizations underscore societal impact and regulatory framework that guides our operations. So in this digital age, integrating AI across our industry segment is not just an opportunity but an imperative. So AI technologies offer transformative potential in personalized product recommendation, innovative packaging, inventory management, demand forecasting, etc. So these innovations enhance efficiency, personalization and sustainability across the CPG landscape. So for individual consumers, AI can tailor shopping experience like never before, from personalized recommendation to intelligent packaging that inform and engages. So retailers and wholesalers can leverage AI for optimizing inventory management and dynamic pricing that ensures that the right products are available at the right time and right price. So further, manufacturers stand to benefit from AI-driven predictive maintenance and quality controls that further ensures uninterrupted production of high-quality goods. Further, the food and beverage industry and the healthcare sector can use AI for safety, compliance and personalized nutrition that enhances consumer welfare and operational efficiency. E-commerce platforms are already harnessing AI for customized shopping experiences and fraud detection that settle new customer engaged and security standards. So further, shipping and logistic companies are also revolutionizing delivery through route optimization and predictive maintenance facilitated by AI. Meanwhile, government agencies and non-profit organizations can leverage AI for regulatory compliance, aid distribution and much more that showcase the technology's broad societal impact. So as we look to the future, the role of AI in driving personalized packaging solutions, sustainable practices and enhanced consumer engagement cannot be overstated. So the journey from the early days of handicraft groups to the digital age of AI and beyond reflected our industry's resilience and capacity to innovation. So in conclusion, integrating AI across the CPG industry represents a pivotal shift towards more personalized, efficient and sustainable operations. So as we embrace these technologies, let's forge ahead with the commitment to innovate, quality and consumer satisfaction. Thank you very much.